Okay. Hello everyone. Big news. A premium Java course is available absolutely free on Udemy. And yes, you will get a certificate too. Whether you are a beginner or brushing up a Java skill, this course is completely guided. So it's 100% free for next 2 days only. So be quick, and I guess this video will reach you as soon as possible. Else you will be late, then you won't get this coupon code. Okay. Just like just click the link in the description, enroll without paying a single rupees and get lifetime access along with a verified certificate. Okay, don't waste time. Okay, this is free and coupon expires fast, so be quick. Grab the course now and start learning Java like a pro. And if you love free course like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the update. Level up together. Happy learning. Okay, I will show you how to enroll in this course. Okay, you'll get a link. Okay, I'll just show you. You'll get a link, this link. You just need to click. Prior need is that you should have an Udemy account login. Okay, else it won't work. You can use this code. I'm sorry, wait. You can use this code. July 25 1. Okay, you'll get this free access. I'll put this four links in the description. You can see this code. You just need to click this link, and definitely you will get this free intro July 25, and code link is CCY July 25. Okay, this year free courses. You just need to click enroll. I'm taking this course. Let us assume. Okay, basically I'm taking it. It's free right now. It's valuable course, 2049 rupees course you're getting at free, so definitely you can reach. Okay, I got this course. Let's start this course. Let's see. I guess you'll enjoy this course. Okay, I'll show you some demo. Just a second. Let me on my desktop audio so you'll be able to hear sounds. Okay.
To execute multiple tasks simultaneously across multiple processors of course. Concurrency is an important concept in software development because it allows us to write
like
programs
you have this
that
different
can handle
topics.
multiple tasks
Introduction to Multithreading Java. Okay, and you can get this enrolled. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.